let u be x cubed plus 3x. Let du be 3x squared plus 3. There is no 3's anywhere on top, so divide by 3, and that will give us x squared plus 1 dx. So at this point, do the sub, and we should be pretty much done. So we have a du over 3 over u, which will be 1/3 integral of du over u, which gives us 1/3 ln of u, which will then be replaced by your x thing over here, x cubed plus 3x. So since I changed it back to x, I can just use these bounds instead. If you don't change it back to x and you want to use u, you would have to sub the bounds, which I think is annoying. I don't like doing that. I prefer to just sub back and use the original. Like 99% of the time, this is easier. Once in a rare while, it's not, but I'm not going to worry about that 1%. So at this point, just plug it in and you're good. Right. So you'd have, based on the fundamental theorem of calculus, you'd have ln of 3 cubed plus 3 times 3 minus ln 1/3 first. 1 ln of 2 cubed plus 3 times 2. Okay, so that will be 1/3 ln 3 cubed is what, 27 plus 9, 36 minus 2 cubed, that's 8 plus 2 times 2, yeah, plus 6, 14. At that point, you could combine the fractions, but into one, right? Using the properties of logarithms, you can say this is ln of 36 over 14, which reduces to 18 over 7. And that's what they get. They reduce this one more step, but I'll let you do that. Okay. The last two are straightforward. Would you like to do one of these, or does this seem doable? I guess we'll stop here then. Second to last one? All right, let's do it. Okay, so last question for the night. 2e to the 5x dx. I've done these so many times, I start to just use this formula. So if you have e to the ku du, the answer will always be the same thing you started with, and then divide by k. And that comes about because of the sub. So technically you can say let u equal 5x, du equals 5 dx, du over 5 will solve for the dx. So finally you'd have 2 e to the u du over 5. So at this point, pull out the 2/5, and you have EU du, which would be 2/5 EU plus c, which would finally be 2/5 e to the 5x plus c. So you see you could have just taken the original and divided by that 5, right? But either way, it's whatever. So I forgot to hit record for most of this, so I'm gonna send you the video from last semester. It should be very similar. Sorry about that.